Hi friends, Indian markets are up by above 3% after the recent downfall. The stimulus coming in from Europe has boosted the market sentiment. Also, there has been a short covering rally across Europe and US. One of the sad news in the markets today is Steve Jobs have expired, and he's a visionary, and all of anybody across the world knows him, and that he's one of the most creative guys of our times. So first I want to put my condolences. If we come back to markets, they are once again going up. So a lot of people have been short for the past few weeks, so this might trigger a short covering rally. If the markets end above 49.20 49.30 level, then this might create a forced short covering in the market. Otherwise, then if they close below 4900, markets might tend down again. So the closing today is very important on the direction of the market going tomorrow. But there is a definite chance that the markets might see a short covering rally and might go up by 100 points. So wait for a trend to emerge after this gap up opening, and then take a call. Other than this, a lot of automobiles have been going up for the past few days. Like I told you that at 150 you can buy Tata Motors. So if it comes down to around 150 once again, you can start buying Tata Motors. Also the private banking sector stocks have been going up. Today they are up almost 7%. So if they come down by around 5%, you can start buying them. Other than this, in commodities also there has been a rally, but generally tend to avoid silver. If it is around 54,500, if it comes to that level, you can go short on silver. Once again it will come and touch 49,000. So definitely the trend is downwards there, even though there has been a bounce back from lower levels. Even gold you can start selling around 27.5 levels. Other than this, in stocks, as I mentioned, you can buy into automobiles. On correction you can buy into banking. General tendency is that for the next few days, at least 47.30, which has been the low, will be held. So probably for this series we might not make a new low. We might end up above that. So in a trading range around 47.50 to around 51.50 is the broad range. So we'll be trading in the range for the next few days. Other than this, if you have any questions or queries, please contact me at money@highbiz.tv.